Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for how to install an exhaust fan for your garage. Now there's a few ways you can do this. You could set up a wall exhaust fan that has shutters that open and close when the fan kicks on. Since we have attic access in our garage, I'm gonna set up a grill that vents through there, and then I'm setting up a gable fan. That way it can help vent out through the attic and out, and that has a thermostat set to it, so if it hits 60 degrees or above, and that fan will kick on based on the speed that I've preset it at, and that'll help evacuate all the warm air out of our attic and also this space, the garage. I'm not gonna have to cut any new holes in the wall since my garage is already finished, so this should be a really nice upgrade at being able to help ventilate those obnoxious fumes out of the garage. Also, when it gets hot, vent all that hot air out. Since our master bedroom's above here, it does get pretty warm during the summertime, so this should help get some of that warm air out and make it feel nice and cool inside. I've included links to all the products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get into it.
I'm cutting out a scrap piece of OSB flooring to replace the access panel with. This will be a good sturdy surface for cutting an opening to mount a return air grill to allow air movement through the attic.
And make sure the bolts are coming out so it doesn't interfere with the fan.
I'm using rubber isolators between the fan mounting tabs and studs to prevent vibration noise from traveling through the structure of the house. For a temporary power source, I picked up an outlet adapter that plugs into the attic light to power up my gable fan. I've since had an electrician come out and install a dedicated outlet with its own switch in the garage so I can manually turn the fan on and off as needed.
Oh yeah, I can already feel it moving air. Yeah, I'm just testing it right now. This is what has to plug in to run the actual temp. Alright, so I've let my paint dry for a few days and I'm going to go ahead and install this grill. And I just measured from the edge to the edge of the grill here to make sure it's centered within the opening. So for me, I'm doing a 12-inch grill. And this is just like a return vent, so it's not operable or anything like that. Since it is basically a return, it's going up. Screws are pretty long because it's meant to go into a wall. So after I drill them through, I'm probably just going to cut them off with a hacksaw so they don't like get caught on anything when taking this off. And then another upgrade too is I thought about adding some handles on each side to make it a little bit easier just to push it up and out without getting your hands to mark up all the paint here if you have dirty hands when you're climbing your ladder to get access into the attic. So another thing too is just to make sure that the way you have your fins oriented when you put it in there, like especially if you're doing handles, is so that you won't see it when you're walking around like the main portions of the garage. So like this open side should probably be facing this wall or the back wall, and then that way you're not able to like see straight up into the attic.
Thanks for watching my how-to video. I've included the links to all the products and tools I used in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And as always, I'm posting weekly videos, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.